Katie Price's ex Kieran Hayler is in talks to appear on BBC's MasterChef. The personal trainer, 35, hopes to get his revenge on his former wife, 43, after her campaign to bring him down, by showcasing his impressive cooking skills on the highly respected show. 3. Kieran Hayler is in talks to appear on MasterChefCredit, Getty. 3. Katie appeared on the cooking show last yearCredit, BBC. A TV insider said, Kieran is through to the final rounds of talks to appear on the show and impress bosses. It's always been his dream to get on and it's looking very likely. He was known to be the cook during his marriage to Katie and he still does a lot of the cooking for his children. Bunny and Jet always say his cooking is the best and that he should open a restaurant. His meals are always perfectly balanced because his background as a PT and nutritionist, which is why he's in show good shape. The source added, Katie learned everything she knows about cooking from him and he's hoping he'll do better than she did in the MasterChef kitchen. Katie appeared on the show last year but failed to make it to the semi-finals after making a major error while serving up steak and chips. The mom of 5 ended up serving raw meat and undercooked potatoes as she tried to impress former winners Vicky Pattison, John Partridge, and Stella Crawford. Her bread and butter pudding also proved to be far too boozy, with Vicky declaring, "There is so much booze in here, I like a drink as much as the next person but that's gotta kick. It's super overpowering." Kieran became Katie's third husband in 2013 and they had 2 children together, Jet, 8, and Bunny, 7. But it was a turbulent romance and despite renewing their wedding vows 3 times, they split in 2018. Their divorce was finalized last year. Earlier this week the Sun revealed that Kieran had been forced to take legal action against her after she compared him to Jimmy Savile. The model, 43, made the shocked comments after watching the new Netflix documentary about the evil pedophile, prompting Kieran's legal team to send her a warning to remove it straight away. A rep for Katie Price's ex told The Sun, Kieran Hayler is seeking legal action in regards to the social media post made by Katie Price. For a woman that profusely professes to advocate mental health and anti-trolling, this is again somewhat contrary to the values Miss Price claims to champion. 3. Katie and Kieran split in 2018 but their divorce was only finalized last year. Credit, Splash News. We pay for your stories. Do you have a story for the Sun Showbiz team? Email digishowbiz@thesun.co.uk or call us direct on 0207 782 4220. We pay for videos too. Click here to upload yours.